Pushpa BS Bhagini. Please unmute. Yes.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste, Bhagini.
मातः समस्त जगतां मधुकैटभारे वक्षो विहारिणि मनोहर दिव्यमूर्ते श्री स्वामिन् श्रित जनप्रियदानशीले श्री स्वामिनिश्रित जनप्रियदानशीले श्री वेंकटेश दयिते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. I think first time you said Shri Swamin. It is not Shri Swamin. It is Shri Swamini. So,
Okay.
Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you for all who have sent me emails. Padma Shri Bhagini. Padma Shri Bhagini, sorry, I don't see your name. Like I said, I had requested you to please send me an email along with the name with which you appear on screen. Could you please change your name to Padma Shri in case you're here, Bhagini? It says Padma Narayan, Padma K, and Padma Parthasarathi. Don't know who this is. Okay. Padma Parthasarathi Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Mata samas.
Next verse.
Okay.
Yes.
Tava suprabhata paravinda lochane bhavatu prasanna mukha chandra mandale vidishankarendra vanita virachite vrishashailanath dayite dayanide.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Here, Tava Suprabhatam. There, the Dvitvam, Suprabhatam, Bhavatu Prasanna. There also Dvitvam. And everywhere the Mahapranas should be clearer, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Rajaram D.
Ram Ram.
Ram. Dhanyavadaha. I will just change. Yes.
We two will be standing. My wife also.
Two of you, is it? Okay.
First time.
Yes, please.
Atriyadi Shaptarishi Samaya Samapahaya Samaupasya Sandhyam Akasha Shindu Kamalani Manoharani Adaya Pada Yugamarchaitum Prapannaha Sheshadri Shekhara Vibhu Tava Suprabhatam.
Mahodaya, first line again, please.
Atyadi Saptarasaya Samupasya Sandhyam. Atriyadi.
Yes. The first time there was some confusion. Atriyadi Sapta Rishaya Samupasya Sandhyam. And the Mahapranas everywhere should be clearer, Mahodaya. The last line, please. Sheshadri.
Shekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam.
Yes. Okay. The Mahapranas, please pay attention to. And next, Rajalakshmi Bhagini.
Yes.
Ram
Bhagini, please chant the next verse.
Okay. Panjananabja Bhavashanmukhavasavadhyam Traivikramati charitam vibudastu vanti Bhashapti padati vasudasutti marat Sheshatri Shekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam.
First line, it is Panchananabja Bhava Shanmukha Vasavadhyaha. It is not
Oh.
Vyaha. There is no Mahaprana. Vasavadyaha. And it's not Vasavadyam. It is Vasavadyaha. Next line, Vibudhas Tuvanti. Dha is Mahaprana, Bhagini, please. And everywhere Mahapranas should be clearer. Bhasha Pati Pathati. Vasara Shuddhi Marat. Sheshadri Shekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhatam. All of you while chanting, Dhanyavadaha Bhagini, all of you while chanting, please remember the Mahapranas. I am repeating this many times because I see that the Mahapranas are not very clear. So please remember to chant the Mahapranas clearly. Next. Anu Kannan Bhagini, I thought you chanted in yesterday's class. I called out your name. Anu Kannan.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram
You
Ram.
had asked me to unmute twice yesterday and day before, but you had not called my name.
Oh, which is why I had written your name, but I was wondering
Exactly.
why you chant. Okay, yes, continue, Bhagini, no problem.
Ishat prapulla sarasiruhanari kela pugadrumadi sumanohara palikanam avati mandamanilassaha divyagandaihi sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam.
Uttamam Bhagini, Divya Gandhaihi, the Mahaprana, Gandhaihi there. Other Mahapranas were okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavad.
Next, Vijaya K. Swami Bhagini. Please unmute. Oh, again, I see many Vijayas. I don't know who. This is Vijaya K. Swami. Anyway, there is one person by name just Vijaya. Please unmute Bhagini. Vijaya Bhagini, please unmute. I have sent you a request to unmute. So if you click on that mic icon, yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ram.
You sent me an email, Bhagini? Or
I sent you an email.
Okay.
Unmilya netra yugamuttama panjarasthaha patra vasishta kadali phala payasani bhuktva salila matakeli sukaf patanti sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam.
Uttamam Bhagini, I like the way you are conscious of Mahapranas. Bhuktva, Bha should be Mahaprana. And yes, I know that because you wanted to chant Kha as Mahaprana, you took a breath after Sheshadri. But we generally, it comes with practice. Definitely when there are Mahapranas, you require more breath for that line. So then you will be able to chant at a stretch. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. So I hope you all by this course see the objective of these courses is not just to learn chanting just one particular stotram. Of course, that is the main objective. But the other benefits you get of any chanting course are, one, you will be able to read any other stotram or Sanskritam work, being aware of these rules of Mahaprana, Alpaprana, etc. And also another very important objective is to make you chant aloud and make you realize for yourself how your breathing improves with this long controlled exhalation when you are chanting a long line, especially with more Mahapranas. And from previous experiences which participants have shared with us, they have experienced all these benefits gradually with abhyasa, that is with practice every day. So it's the same thing whether it's chanting aloud or you're singing aloud, music. It is all that controlled exhalation. So it would definitely improve, and you will be able to chant bigger lines also without taking a breath. Next, let me see who has sent me an email. Chitra Prakash Bhagini. Chitra Haravu Bhagini. Please unmute Chitra Haravu Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
Bhrungavali cha
Makarandara Sanu Vidha.
Okay. Bhrungavali cha makarandara sanu vidha jhankara gita niyadai sahasevanaya niryartyupanta sarasi kamalodarebhyah sheshadrishekhara vibho tava suprabhatam.
Here it is Bhrungavalicha, not Bhrunga. It is not Bhru, it is Bhr. So this particular, the first letter, it is Bhrungavalicha. If you see, even in the English version, we do not say BHRU. We say only the BHR with that dot below. It's the same pronunciation as Krishna, Kripa, those letters. So Bhrungavalicha. Then here, Kamalodarebhyah Mahaprana.
Okay.
Please note that. Dhanyavada.
Okay. Dhanyavada.
Radha Ram Mohan Bhagini, please unmute. Radha Ram Mohan Bhagini.
I am not. Yes, madam.
Namaste. Yes.
Namaste, madam.
Namaste.
Yosha ganena varadhatni vimathyamane घोषालयेषु दधिमन्थरदि तीव्रघोषाः रोषात् कलिं विदधते ककुभश्च कुम्भाः शेषाद्रिशेखर विभो तव सुप्रभातम्.
First line, it is Varadadhni. What you chanted was Varadadhni. So the Mahaprana, Alpaprana were interchanged. That is one common thing we need to remember when we have two consecutive letters in the same varga, like the, which is the Mahaprana. So Varadadhni. And
Varadadhni.
Yes, and a few Mahapranas in other lines also should be clearer. This verse has a lot of Mahapranas. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Thank you.
Well chanted. Next. Gopala Krishnan Mahodaya. Gopala Krishnan Venkata Subramanian Mahodaya. Please unmute.
Ram. Namaste Mahodaya.
Ram. Namaste Mahodaya.
Padmesha Mitra Sadapatra Gathali Vargaha Hartum Shriyam Kavalayasya Nijanga Lakshmya Bheri Ninadamiba Vibramati Vibrati Tivranadam Sheshadrishekhara Vibho Tava Suprabhadam.
It is Bibhrati. You corrected it yourself. It is, there is no Bibhramati. Bibhrati Tivranadam.
Vibrati Tivranadam.
Yes. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Lakshyamrita Bhagini. Please unmute. Ram.
श्रीमन्नभीष्टवरदाखिललोकबन्धो श्रीनिवास जगदेकदयैकसिन्धो भुजान्तरदिव्यमूर्ते श्रीवेङ्कटाचलपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. The way you remembered the Mahapranas and made an effort to chant them clearly was very good. Dhanyavadaha. For the assessment, which we will send you an email. Okay, so before I forget, this is one important announcement I want to make. A lot of you have been attending the live webinars by registering for the live sessions. And some of you are also viewing on YouTube Live. So if you want to get the emails of the assessments, and also if you want to be able to access the material on the course page including the presentation, the text, etc., you will have to register on www.sanskritfromhome.in. Let me just go to the last slide for now, because in the end, if some of you leave, you might miss out on this announcement. Therefore, I'm making it at this point. Okay. Yes. So if you go look at the first website here, www.sanskritfromhome.in, which is on the screen, please go to that website and click on it. Or you could click on this link, this presentation, if it is available to you. And you will have options of registering in case you haven't registered yet. Once you register, you will be directed to the course pages. There are multiple courses. You have to click on this Sri Venkateshwara Suprabhatam course. There's an option to search also. So once you click on that, you will have take this course option. You will have to click on that take this course option. So once you click on that, you will be able to access the course material, and you will also be a part of the email list. So only then, I mean, I sent an email with all the text, with all the links to the text in various languages. But if you've been attending just the live sessions and not registered for the course, you wouldn't have received the email. So please register for the course. In case you still have a doubt on how to register, there is a video on YouTube, the course trailer video, the same Venkateshwara Suprabhatam course trailer video. The playlist has also been created. I will send you the link to the playlist soon. But again, unless you're on the mailing list, you will not get my emails. So you could go to YouTube and see the playlist for Venkateshwara Suprabhatam in Vyoma. And the first trailer video has, they have a small clip of how to register for the course. They show you the course page and click on take this course button. So all those details are there. Please do that. Unless you register, you will not get any notifications, nor will you be able to access any course material. And if you send individual emails, sometimes we might miss replying to each email individually with the same content, because we send out group emails and it reaches everyone. So please do register. Next, Rudra Mahodayah, Rudra Thakur Mahodayah. I don't see Rudra Thakur. I see Rudra C. It's probably the same person. Rudra Mahodayah, please unmute.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram, did you send me an email, Mahodaya?
Yeah, yes, I did.
Okay, good, good. Yes, okay. Yes, please chant Shri Swami Pushkarini.
Okay. Shri Swami Pushkarini Kapalar Varni Langa Shreyurdhino Harvirin Chasana Nanda Nadhaya Dware Vasanti Var Vetra Hatot Manga Shri Venkata Chalpate Tava Suprabhatam.
Uttamam Mahodaya. It will come with practice. Please keep listening. Shri Swami Pushkarini Kaplava Nirmalangaha. And just one observation, the letters should be pronounced completely. For example, Shri Venkata Chalapate. It is not Shri Venkata Chalpate. Chalapate. Achalapate there. Shri Venkata Chalapate. Tava. Again, not tav, tava suprabhatam. That's one common observation. Everywhere, wherever we have complete letters, they should be chanted fully. Dhanyavadaha. Everyone will get it by listening. So some of you were asking for memorization tips. Again, I will send you that link to that detailed video. It's about an hour. Very much in brief, the first step is Shravanam. Listen multiple times. Keep listening. And just by listening, it gets absorbed and it gets internalized. Second is start reading the verses every day. So keep a time and a schedule, and by abhyasa, that is by continuous practice, you will be able to memorize. different people have different ways of memorizing. Some of them just go on reading it, and by the end of certain number of times they can just it depends. It differs from person to person. The others, after you finish reading, you go verse by verse and try to memorize first line. Then you go to the second line, then come back to the first line and do lines 1 and 2 together. Then memorize third line and then fourth line. Then do 1, 2, 3, 4 together, the entire verse. Then after you finish verse 1, go to verse 2. Then come back and do verse 1 and verse 2, because you should retain what you have memorized. As you move further, you shouldn't forget the previous verses. So always keep coming back and memorizing. If you're learning as a family, wonderful. You can keep testing one another. Or if you have a group of learning, you could test one another and memorize. So key is to go on listening and reading, and then try to sit with each verse and memorize. So that would be helpful. Next, we have Sulochana Bhagini. Please unmute Sulochana Bhagini. Sulochana Bhagini, you're unmuted. You could chant. Seva Parashiva.
Seva Parashiva Suresha Krishanu Dharma Rakshombu Nata Pavamana Dana Danadinataha Vriddhanjali Pravila Sannisha Shisha Deshaha Sri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Dhanadhinathaha Mahaprana. Then Baddhanjali Pravila Sannija. I heard something else. It is Baddha Anjali. Baddhanjali Pravila Sannija Shirsha Deshaha. Please note that word. Baddhanjali.
Baddhanjali Pravila Sannisa Shirsha Deshaha.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Anuradha Shankar Bhagini. I think today we have probably just not limited the chat just to the host. So one of them has kindly sent the link to the website sanskritfromhome.in. So you could access that and please register there. Anuradha Shankar Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram.
Ram.
Dhatishu te vihagaraja mrigadhiraja nagadhiraja gajaraja hayadhiraja swasvadhikara mahimadikamardhayante Shri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam.
Uttamam Bhagini. You chanted all the Mahapranas. Dhanyavadaha. Chitra Tyagarajan Bhagini, please unmute.
Hello, can you hear me, Bhagini?
Yes, I can hear you. So Chitra Tyagarajan Bhagini was one of our panelists for Bhagavad Gita course also. Yes, Bhagini, please chant.
Suryendu bhauma budhavakpati kavya sauri swarбhanuketu divishatpati shatpradhanaha swaddasadasacharamavadhidhasadāsaha Shri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam.
Bhagini, here there is a dvitvam. Suryendu bhauma budhavakpati kavya sauris swarbhanu.
Okay.
There, sauris swarbhanu ketu divishat parishat pradhanaha. I hope
okay. Can I chant once again? Can I say?
That's okay, Bhagini. That's okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Sorry, because we have a lot of people. Today is the last class. So I will have to give all of them a chance, at least the ones who have sent me an email. Maithili Rajaraman Bhagini, please unmute. Yes. You are unmuted, Maithili Bhagini. You could chant.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Tvatpadadi. Sorry. Tvatpadaduli. Tvatpadaduli paritas. Puritottamaṅgaha. Svargabhavarganiravekshinijantarangaha. Kalpagamaga Nanamyakulataam labhante Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Tvatpada dhuli bharitas puritottamangaha, that Mahapranas. Next line, some letter was chanted differently. Swargapavarga nirapeksha nijantarangaha. So nijantarangaha, I think there was some confusion. So please note these, Bhagini. You could practice with the recording. Dhanyavadaha. Next, Nagiratnam Mahodayah. Oh, Nagiratnam Bhagini, please unmute.
Suprabhatam Bhagini.
Suprabhatam.
Tvatgopuragra shikarani niriksha manaha Swargapavarga padavim paramam shrayantaha Martya manushya bhuvane madhimashrayante Sri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Nirikshamanaha, we don't say nirikshamanaha. That entire word should be chanted together. Tvadgopuragra shikharani. Kha is Mahaprana. Then last line, it is not suprabhatam, it is suprabhatam. Only bha is Mahaprana, pa is alpaprana.
Astu Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha. Please note that whichever letter is Mahaprana, only that letter should be chanted. The previous letter, next letter, if they are alpapranas, they should be chanted as alpapranas only. Sujata Bhagini, Sujata Roth. Okay, I don't see Sujata Roth Bhagini's name here. If you have logged in with any other name, please change it. You sent me an email with this name, Sujata Roth. Padma Parthasarathi Bhagini. Please unmute. Yes. Padma Parthasarathi Bhagini, please unmute.
Madam, I already recited.
Oh, you already did? Okay. Okay. Padma Shri Chakka Bhagini. Oh, I think the names got interchanged. Padma Shri Chakka Bhagini.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Shri Padmanabha Purushottama Vasudeva Vaikuntha Madhava Janardana Chakrapane Shri Vatsa Chinha Sharanagata Parijata Shri Venkatesha Chalapate, Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Kantaraj Mahodayah. Kantaraj Mahodayah. I can't see your name again. I can't see your name, Mahodaya. Sorry. Mahalakshmi Bhagini. Please unmute. Those who have already finished chanting, please lower your hand. Yes, Mahalakshmi Bhagini. you are unmuted. You could chant. We can hear you. Kandarpa Darpa.
Namaskaram, Guruji.
Namaste, namaste.
Kandarpa Hara Sundara Divya Murte Kanta Kusam Bruha Kutmallola Drishte Kalyana Nirmala Gunakara Divya Kirte Shri Venkata Chalapate Dava Suprabhatam.
Kandarpa Darpa Hara Sundara Divya Murte. Next line, there was some confusion. Is there anyone else unmuted? Please go back to mute in case you're unmuted. I hear some noises in the background. Next line, Kanta Kucham Buruha Kutmala Lola Drishte. So please note this line carefully. It is not Kutmal, it is Kutmala Lola Drishte. And Kalyana Nirmala Gunakara. Na, the differentiation should be here. Dhanyavada. Yes. So all of you please note that second line. Kanta Kucham Buruha Kutmala Lola Drishte. And I've repeated this. Then Na's here. Kalyana Nirmala. This Na and this Ni, they are different. This is Kalyana. This is Nirmala. Kalyana Nirmala Gunakara. Again, Na. It is wrong to chant it as Gunakara. Gunakara Divya Kirte. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next. Amrita Shankar. Sorry, Anuradha Shankar Bhagini. Anuradha Shankar Bhagini, please unmute.
I just finished chanting.
You also finished. Okay, sorry.
Yeah, just now I finished. Yes,
okay. Bhavana Lakshmi Bhagini, please unmute. Bhavana Lakshmi.
Yes. Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Meena krite kamathakola nasimha varnin swamin parashvata tapodhana Ramachandra sesham sharama yadu nandana kalkirupa Shri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam.
So swamin parashvata, tha is Mahaprana, and here Sheshamsha Rama. So second time the Sha you chanted correctly. This Sha after Sham. But the first time it was heard as Se. So same same Sha, both here the first letter. Let me just highlight it, it'll just be easier. Yeah. Here this She and this Sha are the same. So She Shamsha Rama. It's not Se Shamsha. She Shamsha Rama. Dhanyavada.
Okay. Dhanyavada Bhagini.
Next. Usha Vishwanathan Bhagini, please unmute. Usha Vishwanathan Bhagini, you've sent an email, but I don't see your name here. In case you're there with any other name, please change it to Usha Vishwanathan. I see some Usha Shekhar. Please unmute Bhagini.
It's clear? Hearing?
Yes, I can hear you. There are multiple things to be changed. Second line, Divyam Viyatsariti Hema Ghateshu Purnam. Third line, Dhritvadya Vaidika Shikhamanaya Prahrishtaha. So some confusion with the letters. If you listen to the recording, it would become clearer. So also, as per some of your requests, each revision session has been uploaded separately. As in, just the revision part of the video has been clipped. Only the revision of Suprabhatam, that is entire chanting, and Stotram and Prapatti. Mangala Shasanam we revised yesterday, so that also should be up by now. Those 4 videos have been uploaded separately, so you could listen to those for your revision. And even that, the links are there on the course page. So please go check. Otherwise, you will have to search on YouTube. On the course page, the direct link is provided. So it would be easier to access. Mithali Bhagini, please unmute.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste.
Ela
yes.
Ela lavanga घनसार सुगंधि तीर्थम दिव्यं वियत्सरिति हेम घटेषु पूर्णं धृत्वाद्य वैदिक शिखामणयः प्रहृष्टाः तिष्ठन्ति वेंकटपते तव सुप्रभातम्.
Dhritvadya, dha Mahaprana should be clearer. Otherwise, it was good. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next, Kartika Bhagini. G.R. Kartika. Bhasvanudevi.
Bhashvanudevi vikachani saroruhani sampurayanti ninadaika kupo vihanga Shri Vaishnavastatamar Martita Mangalaste Damashrayanti Tava Venkadashu Prabhatam.
Not sure why, but you're chanting the sas as sh. It is Bhasvanudeti. It is not Bhashvanudeti. This here, it is a sa. This is a sa. Bhasvanudeti. And bha is Mahaprana. Bhasvanudeti vikachani saroruhani. Then sampurayanti ninadaih kakubho vihangaha. Next line also, some letters, there was some confusion. Shri Vaishnavas satata marthita mangalaste dhamashrayanti. Please note dha Mahaprana. This is shra. Dhamashrayanti tava venkata. Suprabhatam, not shuprabhatam. It is not shu. It is su. Suprabhatam. That sa, sha and sha differentiation should be very clear. Sa, sha and sha. As in Suprabhatam sa, Shivaha. There sha or shri, that is also sha. And Shanmukha, that is sha. So there are 3 different letters, and please note the pronunciation of each letter carefully. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next, Meenakshi GK Bhagini. Please unmute.
Can you hear me? Ram
Yes.
Ram.
Ram Ram, I can hear you.
Brahmadayas suravaras samaharshayaste sandhasanandana mukhastabata yogivaryah dhamanti ketava himangala hastah Shri Venkatachalapate tava suprabhatam.
There were a few changes here. Brahmadayas suravaras samaharshayaste. Next line, Santasanandana Mukhastvacha. So please note, Santasanandana Mukhastvacha. In case you are following the version which says Mukhastava, then you should follow that correctly. It should not be a mixture of both versions. Santasanandana Mukhastvacha Yogi Varyaha Dhamantike Tavahi Mangala Vastu Hastaha. So please note the letters carefully, Bhagini. Go back to the recording and it will be clearer. Next, Venkata Subramanian Mahodaya. Again, I don't see your name, Mahodaya. You would send me an email, but I don't see your name. Okay, we will. There is Venkat A.R. Mahodaya has raised his hand. Please unmute. Venkat A.R. Mahodaya, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Lakshmi Nivasa Niravadya Gunaika Sindho Samsara Sagara Samuttara Seto Vedanta Vedya Nija Vaibhava Bhakta Bhogya Shri Venkatachalapate Tava Suprabhatam.
Tamam. Here, Niravadya Gunaika Sindho. The na should be clearer. It is not Gunaika, it is Gunaika. Na should be clearer. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Next, Geeta Tyagarajan Bhagini. Please unmute. Geeta Tyagarajan Bhagini, you're unmuted.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Itham Vrishachalapateri Suprabhatam Ye Manavah Pratidinam Patitum Pravrittah Tesham Prabhata Samaye Smritiranga Bhajam Prajnam Parartha Sulabham Paramam Prasute.
Raga was very good, Bhagini. Pathitum, tha, Mahaprana there. That tha, if it is clearer, that would be even better. Dhanyavadaha. Yes, Dhanyavadaha. Next, Geeta Vinod Bhagini, please unmute.
Namo Namaha Bhagini.
Namo Namaha. Kamala Kucha, Stotram.
Kamala kucha chuchuka kunkumato niyatarunita tulanilatano Kamalayatalochana-lokapate Vijayi Bhava Venkatashilapate.
Tamam Bhagini, Dhanyavadaha. Whoever has chanted, request you to please lower your hand. All of you who have chanted, please lower your hand. And Pradnya Bhagini, are you here? I know on 2 occasions I couldn't hear what you chanted. So please chant the second verse, Pradnya Bhagini.
Shruyate va?
Ha, idanim shruyate.
Sachaturmukha shanmukha panchamukha pramukha khila daivata maulimane Sharanagata vatsala saranidhe paripalaya mam vrishasailapate.
Ha, dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Adya samyak shrutam. Dhanyavadaha. Okay, for those who joined us later, after I made the announcement initially, tomorrow we are having a concluding session, Samarpanam. So it's like an offering to Bhagavan and our gurus. In the concluding session, we will be having a very short program, and we will also have a chief guest. Like I announced, it is Shri Ivayar Krishna Rao Garu, who is a retired chief secretary of Andhra Pradesh, a retired IAS officer, and he has also been associated with TTD and the temple, and he has brought in a lot of measures to help all peoples, to help the less privileged, etc., to have a very comfortable darshan in Tirumala. So we have requested him, and despite his busy schedule and other activities, he has kindly accepted to be our chief guest tomorrow. So he will be addressing all of you. The program will start at 6:15 a.m., but we are going to start the webinar at 6 a.m. itself. So you all can join Around 6:15 also, we will begin with the prayer, and 6:30 will be the chief guest's address. Request all of you to join and participate in this concluding session. It has been a wonderful yajna for these 15 days, and listening to all of you and chanting Suprabhatam every morning has been a very divine experience. And thank you to all of you and to our panelists also, Shivani and Vibha, who have been very consistent in their attendance in class and also with their practice. So thanks to them also. Tomorrow will be our final session. However, after this also we will be meeting for assessments. So please look out for the emails. Again, I repeat, register for the course on sanskritfromhome.in. Only then you will get the email about assessment. Assessment is not so much like an exam or anything like that. It is just to have a time-bound commitment to perfect these verses which you have learned, because once we finish the course, it shouldn't be like you just move on and don't revise them at all. So once you have that time-bound dedication, you will perfect them and attain that siddhi, which is why we have competitions for young kids, so that within that time they memorize those verses and perfect them, and it stays with them forever. So please take part in the assessment. It will be of two types, memorization and Parayanam. Memorization, that is Kanthapata. Parayanam would be just reading the verses, all the verses. So there are around 70 verses combining Suprabhatam, Stotram, Prapatti and Mangala Shasanam. So all the 70 verses you will have to read, of course, with strict adherence to the rules of grammar, Alpaprana, Mahaprana, etc. And it will be online. The assessment will be online, and we will have some judges who will be basically letting you know, like giving their feedback, letting you know how to improve, etc. And someone asked about course completion certificate. We don't have just a participation certificate, but we do have a certificate for those who complete the assessment and score a minimum of 60% in the assessment. And also note that you will be able to, are they optional? I'm looking at the questions, Parayanam and Kanthapata. Yes, see, the assessment itself is optional. And you could either choose Parayanam or Kanthapata. You can't do both. You should choose just one. So we will send out the Google spreadsheet for registration. You can just register online. You look out for the email and we will be sending out the details. It would be mostly in the the 3rd week of July. We will give you the exact details. I'm just looking at the questions in case there are any unanswered questions. Ranjani Radhakrishnan Bhagini. Okay, you forgot to send an email. Okay. Yes, Bhagini, please unmute.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
अतिवेळतया तव दुर्विषहैरनुवेलकृतैरपराधशतैः भरितं त्वरितं वृषशैलपते परया कृपया परिपाहि हरे.
Uttamam. Atra, you are not supposed to say durvishahaihi, durvishahaihi. Du is a hrasva, short letter. Next, the entire line should be chanted at a stretch. Durvishahairanuvelakritairaparadhashataihi. No pause there. Dhanyavadaha. Okay, let me go back to any other questions. For Parayanam, will the slide be displayed? No, the slide will not be displayed for Parayanam. For multiple reasons, we have taken this call for other assessments also. There will be some lag in the internet, etc. And each of you will have a different language in which you're comfortable reading. So for Parayanam assessment, you will have to get your own script. You can either have what we have given you in Vyoma or any other script, but please ensure that it is the correct version. So it shouldn't have any typographical errors, etc. The one which I've given you in Vyoma is checked thoroughly, so you could use that. Thank you. so much for your kind words, everyone. In case you want to share any feedback about the class in the form of video testimonials like we did for Geeta, you could do so after tomorrow's program. It's a short program, so after that, we would love to listen to you. The course page has been shared. Like I said, thank you, Mahodaya. It's there on chat. You all can go through. Yes, Rameshwari Bhagini, thank you. There are, yes, the other two courses also, Geeta and Raghuvira Gadyam, some of you have asked. It is there on the course. It's there in the list of courses on Sanskrit from Home. Kal Krishnan Mahodaya, yes, I agree with you. He says Hindi speakers will clip the last vowel. We all have our own influences from various languages. But yes, since while pronouncing Sanskritam, like I've said before, we should adhere to the rules of pronouncing Sanskritam. So that tendency should be reduced, or rather you should not pronounce the vowels half, the last vowel. It should be pronounced full in Sanskrit, unless there is that halanta. It is not difficult for anyone, even if you have lost touch with the language, you will definitely be able to pick it up. Shravanam, that's the key. Keep listening. By listening, you will be able to do it every day. Actually, like I was telling you, just to share my experience, when I learned Suprabhatam, I was really young. I was just beginning to learn the alphabet in school. So how that age, you don't really read, right? You're just learning the alphabet then. So the way I learned was, and I think it helps for everyone, whether you're a child or any age. One was, of course, by listening multiple times to my guru's teaching and to my mother teaching at home, and listening to MS Amma's Suprabhatam every morning. So my parents used to play that every morning, and waking up to that was a routine. So listening to MS Amma's Suprabhatam, I could pick up when I couldn't even read the text. So the reason I'm sharing this is, when some of you say it is difficult, etc., it is not. The more you listen, the easier it becomes for you to read and then to memorize. Memorization, yes, full. Suprabhatam, Stotram, Prapati, Mangalashasanam. Shravani, you want to chant? Okay, we don't have too much time. Please unmute Shravani, Bhagini.
Ram 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 Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
अधिवेङ्कटशैलमुदारमते जनताभिमतार्धिकदानरतात् परदेवतया गदितान्निगमै कमलादयितान्न परन्कलये.
Dhanyavadaha. Gaditannigamai, that her should be heard, that jihva muliya at the end. So that visarga, that jihva muliya should be heard at the end. The mail regarding tomorrow's special concluding session, I will send it today. Vikram K. Mahodaya, you want to recite? Yes, and please unmute Vikram K. Mahodaya.
Namaskaram, Guruji.
Namaste.
कलवेणुरवावशगोपवधूशतकोटिवृतात् स्मरकोटिसमात्
प्रतिवल्लविकाभिमतात् सुखदात् वसुदेवसुतान्न परं कलये.
धन्यवादाः महोदय. Sorry if there are more who wanted to recite. That is why I had asked you to send me an email so that you know, I don't miss out on anyone. Thank you to Shivani and Vibha. Some of them have expressed. The presentation will be uploaded on the course page. Yes. Bhagavad Gita classes. Parayana Shikshanam, Prasad Mahodaya, we haven't yet decided whether we'll be having that. We will definitely announce. Sundarakanda also, yes, multiple requests. We will definitely take a call and announce. Thank you. Any other requests you have, please send it even to that admin ID, that is sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in. Okay, Haima Kumar Bhagini, this is very special. I'm going to read out what she has said. She says, I would like to share the benefits I have experienced during this chanting session. I was having breathing issues post-COVID, but during these sessions with your excellent chanting and pronunciation, I have practiced 2 to 3 times a day. It helped me to get better. Thank you so much. Bhagini, this means a lot. It is really not because of my effort or anything. It is the inherent benefit of chanting. These are the kind of things we would expect, and if you've experienced that, that is like the greatest fulfillment we have for this course. So your message is very inspiring to many others. Please do share it with us. If you can send us an email. The reason I'm saying this is we want to see what are the benefits you all experience by chanting. So if you give us feedback, it would be helpful for us also to offer more courses. The objective is to help as many people as possible. And definitely chanting has these benefits. Like I said, now when someone shares some personal experience like this, it means a lot to us. Thank you, Haima Bhagini. I'm very happy to note that this has helped you improve your breathing. Thank you very much. Any other feedback you want to share, you could please share tomorrow, or you could also send me an email. Balaji Hatur Mahodayaha, I read your message. Please send us an email for that. I will reply to you. Mukha Panchashati. Yes, all the requests are noted. Please also mail us so that we'll have all the requests in place. We'll know what are the demands or what interests for future courses, so it will be helpful for us to offer. Lalita Sahasranamam is already done, please. So it is there. You could take the course on Vyoma Sanskrit from Home channel itself. Adya Murthy, you have by-hearted 700 verses of Gita. That's very good. Gopala Krishnan Mahodayaha, I have been practicing thrice a day and I found my breathing improved a lot. That's wonderful, Mahodaya. Very, very, very happy to know that. The next course, we haven't yet decided when to start. We will definitely let you know. Once you register on the course page, you will be on our mailing list. So any new course which starts, that promotion will go to all of you. Then you could take the course. So I think we'll conclude today's session with Shanti Mantraha. See you all tomorrow in the concluding session. Feedback, like I said, it's not so much for, any promotion or anything like that, but just we would like to know how it has benefited you. And also any feedback on how we could improve. If you have any suggestions how we could improve, please send us that as well. There will be another feedback form which goes out to you, I think after the assessment or something. The admin will be sending you that. But in the meanwhile, any such benefits, please share with us so that we will also be able to tell others and help others too. Okay, one more person has said, post-COVID, it has helped them. Wonderful. Dhanyavadaha sarvebhyaha. We will conclude with Shanti Mantraha. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Dhanyavadaha sarvebhyah. It has been a great yajna, a wonderful journey. Some of the websites which might be helpful to you are here on the screen. So please take note of them. See you all tomorrow in the concluding session. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram.